Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get IntelliSense in VS Code, especially with Unity, because the stable version of VS Code has been having issues for months now, where sometimes IntelliSense will work and sometimes it will not work at all. And for the last 2 months I've been using the Insider version, and the Insider version hasn't given me any issues yet. So today I woke up in the morning and I installed the stable version again and I tried using it, and IntelliSense is doing the exact same thing. So what we're going to do is, at least the easiest fix for this is just to go ahead and get the Insider version. So I did uninstall the Insider version just to make sure that it was a foolproof solution. So what we're going to do is just uninstall this one and then install the Insider version again and see if IntelliSense works right off the bat. So we're going to go ahead and let's just uninstall this. Alright, so it's uninstalled, and we're gonna go ahead and download the Insider version. So I set this up just for the first example, make sure that it wasn't working, and now what we're gonna do is just get the Insider version. Alright, so once this is done, let's go ahead back into Unity, and we are going to go to Edit and then Preferences and make sure that we pick the so where is this going to be? Let me see where this is installed, so I click on that one instead, and then now double click on the script and it comes right up. So two things we need to do first is just install the C# extension, because I went ahead and I took away all my extensions just for this tutorial. So what I want to do is make sure that a fresh version of VS Code actually worked, and it didn't work because I wasn't getting things like rigid body to show up. And then what we need to do is install the Unity debugger. So now that we have this, what I'm going to do is just close this again, and I'm going to double click to open. Alright, so now we can try, let's try typing in a few things and see if it actually works. So we do private, shows up, float, that works, and let's do a speed. Alright, and then let's try rigid body. So rigid body 2D actually works like it should, and so float. So you guys can see things are actually working fine here, and we have no issues. Alright, so this is how you would fix your IntelliSense issues with VS Code, especially with Unity. And this will be it for this video. I hope it was helpful.